In this video, you will learn 100 plus best niche ideas whether you're starting a blogging or starting a YouTube channel. This video will guide you to know the best niches ever. So with that being said, hit the subscribe button and like this video and comment if you have any questions. And we're gonna straight go into the topic. So this is the first niche, which is a finance. So when it comes to finance, there's not much, affiliate links available whether you want to promote affiliate marketing through blogs. But the monetization, if your blog is monetized by Google, then you're gonna get pretty much high CPMs and RPMs because the finance niche has very high RPM. So if you look at cryptocurrency and budgeting and saving for retirement, so many people who already actually working on professionals or working on a job, those kind of people will search for these kind of topics if you make these on the blogs related to these topics. So since they have money and they're likely to spend on whatever the ads shown or whatever the ads displayed on your blog related to finance, okay, because they just wanna save money and amplify their money. And investing, again, investing has a very high RPM, okay. So even though there are less audience, the advertisers, they pay you very high, okay. And second niche, you have the business niche. So it comes under building a startup, entrepreneurship, freelancing, business finance management, productivity hacks, hiring and outsourcing, and how to start a business and start an e-commerce business. Now here you can monetize with your AdSense if you have a traffic, or you can also offer one-on-one coaching on digital products. And whenever it comes to starting an e-commerce business, you have the Hash One affiliate marketing program, which is from Shopify, which you can display on your blog and generate affiliate revenue. Okay. Now in the freelancing, you can also build a local SEO optimized in whichever country you want to get clients, and you can optimize for social media marketing or website building, landing pages building. Many people look for building a landing pages. So if you optimize locally, then you're going to get you're going to have an inflow of clients. Now the third niche we look at is a marketing. So you can also write blog posts on marketing or make videos on marketing. So the marketing has sub niches: content marketing, social media marketing, email marketing. Again, I personally have a email newsletter where I do email marketing, send affiliate links to emails. So the link will be in the description. You can join my email list if you want a daily tips or weekly tips on how to make money online. And search engine optimization, many people look for how to optimize search engine optimization locally or whether it's for Google search. So you can write blogs on it, the helpful content. And pay-per-click advertising and copywriting. And again, copywriting, it's a boom in industry. Again, it's rising from 2024. Maybe people are looking to learn copywriting. You can write blog posts on it. And digital marketing, same as copywriting. And affiliate marketing, YouTube marketing, advertisement strategies. So you can pretty much write any helpful content on these marketing topics. Okay. Now we have niche 4, which is a B2B sales, which includes a B2 consumer sales. Okay, sales process and strategies. You can write sales hacks, sales templates, sales software and apps management. Okay, so you can pretty much write about it, but there are very much for these you can also embed affiliate links which are affiliate marketing for products. If you go to stack partner stack affiliate program, there you can sign up for various affiliate programs which have a software related affiliate programs. Now in the niche 5 we have design and development. When we talk about design and development, it includes web design, UX design, web development, app development, e-commerce, and website security. And many people will search for development tips and development queries, errors, and solutions for their development errors which they face when implementing a design code or development code. So you can write blogs on it, but it doesn't have to you don't have to know everything. You can just research and you can just research about the topic and then you can write your own blog post. Okay, again, we can also write affiliate marketing blog post for products, affiliate products. Okay, software products. So we have the next niche, which is a 6th niche, which is a tech industry, and here it concerns software reviews, business automation, consumer electronics, artificial intelligence, Apple products, and Android products. Guys, you can write pretty much 1,000+ blogs on Apple products and Android products, helping them for every error or the queries they face. Okay, there are people searching for issues on Android, issues on Apple. There you can also you can pivot the entire traffic to your site, yeah, and write articles on it. Okay, so what I meant to say is there's pretty much almost you can write 1,000+ articles a day for tech industry when it comes to tech industry. So you can also write software reviews. You can compare just like the best email marketing tool ConvertKit to Beehive, and you can compare those two products and write a detailed blog post, and at the end you can also embed affiliate links for both of the products. Okay, now niche 7 is education. You can write study hacks, SAT preparation guides, online courses, okay, language learning, college to career preparation, K-12 blog for parents, homeschooling. So here you can pretty much if you're good at English, you can pretty much write anything about these topics. So not even English, you can write in a multi languages, okay, in your local language to get the traffic from your own local SEO. You can do local SEO and get the traffic for on education ideas or blog posts. Okay, so here you can pretty much do affiliate marketing with digital products, digital courses, where people sell online courses. Now niche 8 is a news. You pretty much know about it. You can write locally, or you can write pretty much a super niche, which is news only on sports. How to start a sports blog. You can see how to start a sports blog, and you can pretty much start from it. You can write pretty much on sports, anything. Okay, and then we have pop culture, politics, and Silicon, and then we have pop culture and then Silicon Valley and investigative articles. Now again, here you have to find inspiration or research, and then you have to do it. And for news, you can pretty much use Google Trends and see the real-time searches and trends, and keep on writing the blog posts. Niche 6 is entertainment, and entertainment is very much high RPM platform, I can say, like it much. Now entertainment is a pretty decent RPM platform, which I can say. So you can write pretty much about movie reviews, music reviews, TV show guides, celebrity gossip, celebrity interviews, arts and culture. For movie reviews, you can take an example such as watch a movie and then write a review on it. Okay, so how much you write and what's your opinion, bloopers, and you can also write on music reviews. Okay, and where to find your music, TV shows guides, how to watch TV shows, and celebrity gossips. You can pretty much get a tons of traffic by just including the keyword of celebrity. Okay, now we have niche 10, which is a travel. So travel is my favorite, and I have worked on it for past. So I pretty much wrote articles on every destination place and destination place visitor, at some destination places to visit of summer, winter. You can pretty much update the articles every single year or any month. Okay, so again, you can write articles on seasonally or yearly. So travel people, they would like to know what are some cool places to visit on particular month or particular season. So that pretty much they keep searching for it. So I think it would be pretty. I think it is pretty much very easy to write travel hacks, but keep in mind that you need to research and know about the places and correct information. Okay, and then we have niche 11, which is a food and drink. You can pretty much write about a restaurant, good restaurants in a particular area, baking and cooking guide, home cooking guides, and recipes and healthy eating, dieting. Okay, pretty much you can research about it and write the best posts and best recipes. Okay, now we have niche 12, which is a beauty and fashion niche. You can pretty much write about products, tutorials, and skincare tips and fashion trends and affordable beauty. Guys, here the beauty fashion niche, you can pretty much embed on Amazon affiliate links. You don't have to search for it. Amazon pretty much has everything. You can embed the cheap products and the affordable products, the budget products, the top skincare products under this cost, under the budget. You can pretty much write those kind of articles. Okay, now on niche 13 we have health and fitness, where you can write on men's health and mental health and sports and workout, exercise, routine tips, and yoga. You can write, if you know any exercise, you can pretty much write a blog post on it, how to do guides, and how to do in work from home guides. Okay, you can also create a digital product and sell it on a blog as you get a traffic. Okay, you can also coach one-on-one online. On niche 14 we have pets, which is pretty much, people don't focus on writing pets, but it has a tons of traffic. If you look at SEMrush or any SEO paid tool or free tool. Okay, so you can write on dog parenting tips. As a dog owner, people will be searching for it, and dog training tips. Okay, so whenever they buy a new pet, they will look for it, how to train a dog, how to train a cat. So you can pretty much outrank by writing the minimum articles on with a optimized SEO. And you can also compare Pitbull versus Lab. So you can pretty much write articles similar to that. Okay, and you can also write health and wellness about it. On niche 15 we have lifestyle. You might know this, like photography. You can write pretty much about photography, writing, like how to write the do-it-yourself hacks, arts, crafts, books, gardening. And I think lifestyle has totally very high CPM and RPMs, and even the monetization, even the affiliate links will be very high. You can write plenty of articles on it. Okay, top men clothing tips, top women's clothing tips. You can pretty much write something like that. Okay, so that's it, guys, for watching this video. Thank you, and subscribe and like this video, and let me know in the comments if I missed any niche, and you can highlight in the comments. Okay, that being said, catch you on the next one.